Hello lovely people, welcome once again to the channel. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today we are coming to you from Daban new site. It's a very beautiful area in Kumasi on the Sokoban and Peyo Road. On the Cindy Junction, just after Daban, you take your right. You see some road, very tight, nice road. You find these places there. Where you're seeing your shots, it's having a very beautiful buildings and very nice area with tarred roads. Your shots right now is this Jamfua Court, which is a very beautiful place where you can have fun and also rest whenever you are in Kumasi. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to click on the red subscribe button. Select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. This is a beautiful area view of the place, as you can see from the shots right now. Please, you can also go through our videos. You will see amazing and nice videos of other towns and places that you can watch. In this area, you can find beautiful and nice houses for sale, and also you can find places for rent, apartments, single rooms, self-contained, 3 bedrooms apartments, 2 bedrooms apartments, which you can rent. Some you can have buy houses from here. You can see most of the neat and nice story buildings, which are all for sale. You can get a building around the price of 500 Ghana upwards for rent a month. Then you can buy a building for around 600,000 Ghana cedis from this place.